fever chills, something's not right. Chest feels heavy, breathing sore. Listen close, then look for more. God is the gold standard, but it's not the perfect plan. Early fills may still look clear. Treat the patient standing here. Symptoms matter, lungs may change. Illness doesn't read the page. Care for people, not the film. Use good judgment, stay calm and still. Stay calm and still. Stay calm and still. Bronchitis high, pneumonia deep. Some clues hide before they speak. History first, exam with care. Science and compassion both belong, yeah. Car is the gold standard, but it's not